Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Roku app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Roku app. So if it's not working, you have to follow these instructions. So the first instruction is to click on here, then click on the I button. After it, you have to scroll down and click on the storage and clear the storage and use it. So if it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked, you can go to the update and check for the update. So I will just go to the here Roku app. So here we will just download the latest update and use it. So if it's worked, then fine. If it's not work, you can reinstall it. So reinstallation is easy. Click on here, then click on the uninstall button, click on OK, and it will be here deleted. Then you can reinstall from the Play Store and it will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.